Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an internet phone. First, you'll need to choose a reliable voice over internet protocol or VoIP service provider. There are many options available, so research one that fits your needs. Next, ensure you have a stable broadband internet connection, as this is crucial for clear calls. Finally, you'll need to purchase a compatible VoIP phone or an analog telephone adapter if you prefer to use your existing landline phone. Now let's connect your hardware. Take your new VoIP phone or adapter and connect it to your internet router. Most devices use a standard Ethernet cable for this connection, ensuring a stable data flow. Once connected, plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet. This provides the necessary power for your device to operate. It's a straightforward process, usually taking only a few minutes to complete these physical connections. With your hardware connected, it's time for configuration. You'll typically access your VoIP provider's online portal through a web browser, or sometimes directly through the phone's interface. Here, you'll enter your account credentials, like your username and password, along with any device-specific details. Simply follow the clear, step-by-step prompts to activate your service. This process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, it's time to test your new internet phone. Make a test call to a friend or family member to confirm that the voice quality is clear and that your connection is stable. Take some time to explore any advanced features your service offers, like voicemail, call forwarding, or three-way calling. You are now ready to enjoy clear, reliable, and often more cost-effective calls over your internet connection, saving you money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.